Okay, here is a new cat. This one is a male neutered front declawed. He's very friendly. He's had some kind of weird spots if you look at his neck there. It looks like somebody shaved parts of him. Not really sure exactly what was going on. He does have some mats, so maybe somebody was trying to help him out and get rid of the mats. But he is very friendly. Calypso, you're so cute. I can't believe you're still here, Calypso. And here is Calypso's information. Calypso's extremely friendly. Gage is leaving for rescue on Thursday, so he'll be glad to get out. Here is Isidore. Isidore, hi sweetie. She's a little bit more independent type cat. She's definitely on the thin side. She hasn't really put on a lot of weight since she's been here. And she was in the quarantine room for a bit too, so that of course took a toll on her and caused her to lose a little bit more weight when she was sick. But I think she's the independent sort that would like to come sit on your lap, but doesn't necessarily like to be carried around. Oh, there's Gage up close. And over here is a new female calico. She's very friendly. Hi, sweetie. But her one ear, it looks like it's been tipped. I don't know if it's actually tipped or if it was just a case of that she got frostbite or something on that ear. Hard to say because her nose is a little scuffed up too. Here is Naomi. Hi, sweetie. Naomi. Interrupt your dinner for some quick videos. She's very friendly. And Naomi's information. Here is Jinx. Jinx was doing pretty good, and then he had a setback after he got out. He escaped and they had to capture him, so he got kind of scared after that. This is one that should be posted. I'm pretty sure that this one is a female. She's very friendly. And here is Iona. Sweetie. Iona's very beautiful. She's all black. A little bit of gray there right on her neck. But she's very glossy and shiny. And here's Blueberry. We had Blueberry out for some pictures today, so she's hopefully will get tagged for rescue. She's very young, so very gorgeous girl. And this is a new one. Just got here yesterday and it's still pretty stressed out. It is a female, but it's not feral because it was meowing earlier. And we generally don't have feral cats that meow. That's it for the Healthy Room.